Gentlemen, one common concern many men face, particularly in romantic relationships, is the fear of being used for financial gain. While it's essential to trust your partner, it's also crucial to recognize signs that may indicate her affection is primarily driven by money. Here are 13 signs to watch out for to determine if a girl only using you for your money. She capitalizes on your date nights for her shopping adventure. If you'd ask her where she'd like to go, she'd happily tell you that she wants to go shopping. You pay for everything she buys, and instead of focusing on the date to get to know you, she's more interested in buying stuff that her heart desires. Beware. If you bring your credit card, you should be extra careful or you'll spend a lot and get yourself into debt. She asks for money from you. Do you notice this girl always has some drama in her life? She can't pay the rent. She's worried that she might be kicked out of her apartment because she's not able to pay her rent. She's telling you how that she's having a hard time managing her money and she's running short of cash. This girl is constantly doing it, and she's not shy at all. Man, wake up and open your eyes wide open. She always has an issue with money. This girl is a material girl, sorry to say. She wants money from other people because she lacks the drive herself and doesn't like working hard. She lacks ambition and motivation, so she preys on men who can give her financial support for her lavish kind of lifestyle. She always has something to say about how bad her life is and how her employer is not paying her enough. Indirectly, she wants to tell you that she wants your money, and you should not ignore this sign. Her tantrums are like a kid's when you don't give her what she likes. She has this temper tantrum when you don't buy her what she asks you to. You'll see her acting like a child, frowning, not talking, and showing her dismay. You should be aware and realize that she's only dating you for your money. Don't miss this sign or you'll be in a lot of trouble later. She likes a lot of the expensive stuff. Sad to say, but a girl you're dating only likes you for your money if she has an expensive taste. She has a lot of these items sitting in her house. Some of them are not even useful. You'll notice this girl having puppy eyes, especially when asking you to buy her something. And it's not just once, but she does it a lot of times in almost all the expensive shops that you pass by when you're together. She wants to know your financial status. A girl is only dating you for your money if she always asks about your finances. She seems to be more interested in what she can get instead of what she can give you, like attention and affection. If you have a fat wallet, you'll notice how she will be going for you. It's like she won the lotto jackpot because she can see a huge dollar sign in your eyes. She's going to show a lot of interest in your money, unfortunately. You can't be intimate with her without giving her money. All right, she's not a prostitute or something. But have you noticed how she wouldn't want to be kissed or touched if you won't give her money? It's like you have to pay before you guys can play and have some intimate moments. You'll know this girl is using you for your money, that she won't give in to your request of a kiss, a hug, or any intimate gesture if you won't give her some cash. She doesn't engage in deep conversations with you. You've been going out for quite a while, but you know not much about her aside from her name and her love for expensive foods and stuff. You don't know anything about her family, circle of friends, life goals, ambitions, and future plans. She doesn't also know much about you aside from your name. When you two talk, nothing is about an intimate relationship. She's after your cash, and you have to wake up now from this nightmare. She's emotionally unavailable for you. You've been dating her for like 6 months, but your relationship isn't going anywhere. You are in a cycle of the same thing going on between the two of you, and nothing deeper is about you guys. She's emotionally not invested in your relationship, and it's on a surface level. She's just into going out with you for her shopping spree and materialistic likings, but nothing serious is happening. You're losing a lot of money. With all those shopping sprees and expensive dates, you're running out of cash. You're also using your savings. For the intention of being with this girl to whom you're developing feelings for, you're sacrificing your finances. It's time to look for the exit, dude. She doesn't work hard, but she leads a luxurious lifestyle. This is one of the characteristics of a gold digger. She'll date you for your money, not for having a relationship with you. She's too lazy to work hard for her dreams, and yet she's leading a lavish lifestyle. She is invested in living that kind of a wealthy lifestyle, although doesn't care about how she gets what she wants, even if it's at the expense of a serious man's feelings. She hates it when you don't have much in your pocket. Things get sour when you're broke. You'll notice how she treats you coldly when you say that you can't afford that expensive bag on the shelf. But by the time you give her cash, things will suddenly shift. She'll suddenly become one of the warmest persons on earth. She dates only rich men. Okay, here's the last in our list, and probably one of the most obvious signs that a girl only wants the money of men. She only dates celebrities and wealthy men. She loves the rich kids that can buy her what she wants. In short, she only dates men with multiple bank accounts, luxury cars, mansions, and all the materialistic things that this world can offer. If you're dating this kind of woman, it's time to make an escape plan and get out of this setup as fast as you can. For more content like this, click here to subscribe.